ULisa Vetten ubizelwe kulesi sigcawu ukuthi ezocwaninga ukuthi ingabe babunjani ubudlelwano phakathi kaMengo noMbenenge. Uthi uma efunda imilayezo abathumelana yona, kuyacaca ukuthi uMengo wayesaba ukunqaba kokwakushiwo uMbenenge ngenxa yokuthi wayewumphathi emsebenzini.
Saying no to somebody who is your senior is difficult. Firstly, it is an inversion of the relationship as to who says, who directs or instructs, and who follows instructions. So for a junior person to tell a senior person, it can be a very difficult thing to do precisely because there is that inversion.
Kodwa-ke ummeli kaMbenenge ubengagculisekile ngezethulo ezenziwe nguVetten. Uthi uVetten ubengamele ezobulili kulesi sigcawu, ukhethe ukucwaninga nje kuphela izinto ezashiwo uMengo.
Should a tribunal, as a general point, trust an expert who cherry picks and omits certain things in order to support one side? I'm saying your choice of what you omit is based on the fact that you, Lisa Vetten, supports the complainant in sexual harassment issues.
UVetten uvumile ukuthi ezinye izinto ezashiwo uMbenenge akazicwaninganga ngenxa yesikhathi.
Actually, you don't have that reluctance in analyzing what the respondent says and writes. Suddenly, when it comes to the respondent, you're quite diligent in talking about what he says. And when it comes to Ms. Mengo, you're quite conscious of time and length.
Only because I was asked to hurry up, I can continue and go into great detail with the complainant if you'd like me to.
Lesi sigcawu sizoqhubeka kusasa kanti silindeleke ukuba sihlale kuze kube mhla ziyishumi nomuvo kuNtulikazi.